Alright, today we're going to look at two brackets that we put on the drawers for a face frame cabinet. This is a knob and voked brackets. You can see them in the back, and they're bolted into the back of the cabinet. And here the front bracket goes in here. You see, you bolt them here. You have to make sure this is leveled all the way in, and this is leveled all the way in, and the distance is the same between the two back brackets and the two frontal brackets. So this is NABE and voked, and I put it on my cabinet. This is Accuride, and to be honest, this one is a little bit smoother. I don't know. I don't think it's related to the bracket. I think it's related to the measurements. And the Accuride is, I feel like it's a little bit more sturdy. And I think the reason is how the frontal brackets are. They're wider, and the mesh with the back of the slide here. They mesh with them in the back, and they give it more support. Or the NABE and voked one, it doesn't really mesh. You snap it into it. You snap the slide into it. You put your slide into it, and it has a little bit of wiggle when you try. When I have a drawer here, and I put a drawer on the other side, on this side, really the drawer on this side really doesn't wiggle right and left as much as this one does. That's it.